Hi, this is Lindsay Smith, and today I am going to walk you through how to place the floral overlays. Hold on, baby.
Sit down.
We have, yes, you can sit down. Sorry. Okay, so today on my site, we have singular grass and flower overlays. So this is the new release, which is actually phlox, and it is already blurred for you so that it looks like you're peeking out from behind a garden, or that you're in a garden bed. And so I'm just going to show you real quick how to place this, and then how to darken it or lighten it to match your image. Oh, you're tired?
Yeah.
Oh, night. So you're going to click place, find where you've saved it. And then I'm going to just pull this out here. And you can either put it at the bottom, like this. And I'm just going to hide that, and I'll place another one. Harry. My daughter has a carnival today at her school, and so we are actually preparing to leave for that. Okay, so let me just place this. It's really pretty. And I kept contemplating because I'm not sure if I wanted something here or not. Let's just take a look real quick. Why not play? I think it's gonna still be too distracting. I think we're only gonna do the one side. Okay, so anyway, there's a lot of different things that you can do with it. So you can either put it on the side, put it on the bottom, and luckily these are all really affordable, under $10 and $5. So these are super fun. You can play with them at any time to give your image a pop or to hide something maybe in the image. So I'm just going to show you real quick how to darken or lighten to your image. My image has a little bit of both, so I mean, this can pass off as fine, but we want it to be a little bit more realistic. So I've just opened up a levels mask. I'm going to right click, create clipping mask, and I'm going to drag my middle gray slider to the right. This will make it darker, and you can go as dark or as light. So if your image is much lighter, you can go to the left with it. I'm going to go a little bit to the right with it. And I'm also going to, my leaves on the flowers are a little more blue-green than they are in the picture. So I'm going to click Hue and Saturation. And because I selected my flower layer, it's automatically clipped. So I'm just going to select my greens. And I'm going to come over here and I am going to select it. And then I'm just going to, one second, I'm also going to select this yellow part. And then I'm just going to pull, one sec, because we want all of this selected. Let me just Okay, so that's yellowed it up a little bit. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it definitely works. And so that is how you place it, and that is also how you can change the brightness or the darkness of it to match the exposure in your image. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at support@lsphotoshopactions.com. I hope you enjoy this, and you can find it at my website at lsphotoshopactions.com under the tab Overlays. So thanks for watching, guys.